Hello friends, today's video is on Onam special Pulissery. In this video, you will learn how to easily prepare Pulissery with ash gourd. If you like the video, remember to like, comment and share. Welcome to all friends to a new video of Chef Joji. For the Pulissery, 2 cups of ash gourd cut into small pieces have been taken. To prepare this Pulissery, a clay pot has been placed on the stove. Add the ash gourd to it. Add 3 green chilies cut lengthwise. Add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Add the required salt for the Pulissery at this time. Pour enough water to cook the ash gourd. Cover it and cook it. At this time, take a small mixer jar. 1 cup of grated coconut has been taken. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds. Now use the mixer to make a fine paste, adding enough water. After 8 minutes, open it. The ash gourd has now cooked well. Add the ground coconut paste. Mix it well. Add 1 tablespoon of jaggery powder. Mix it well again. Cook it on a low flame for 2 or 3 minutes to get rid of the raw smell of the coconut. Now, take 2 cups of well-beaten curd and pour it in. Make sure to use sour curd for this. Mix it well. At this time, you should turn off the stove. Do not boil it after adding the curd. At this time, heat coconut oil in a small pan and add mustard seeds, dry red chilies and curry leaves to temper it. Pour this over the Pulissery. Cover it immediately after adding the tempering. After half a minute, open it and mix it well before serving. Check the taste of the Pulissery and add salt if needed. Pulissery, one of the main curry dishes of the Onam feast that cannot be missed, is ready here. This is a recipe that can be made very easily. I hope you all liked this video. If you liked it, remember to like, comment and share. If you are watching this channel for the first time, remember to subscribe to the channel and follow the page. Chef Joji's YouTube channel and Facebook page have a lot of old videos. Try to watch them. So, a new video will be coming soon. Until then, bye-bye.